If you want to call and set up a voicemail on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to the phone app. Over here, if you have the keypad opened, you should be able to press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. And if it's not possible to dial the voicemail, then of course you can go to the voicemail settings to be able to adjust the voicemail number. Of course, if you manage to call the voicemail, you should be able to, of course, reach it, and then you can follow the instructions in order to set it up, whatever you want to do with it. Now, in case the voicemail number is incorrect, you can tap on these 3 dots in the upper right corner, and then go to settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down to go to the voicemail option. And then in here, we can find the voicemail number, which we can edit in here. If you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can either try to contact your carrier or service provider and ask them about the voicemail number, or you can Google that information. Leave a like and subscribe.